Crypto kings and queens, welcome to my channel. We are gonna have a quick update about what's happening on Ethereum, and just like we were talking about yesterday, but now we are about to reach the target that I do expect the market to come back down to for then continue to the upside. So in this episode, I will just go down exactly and show you what's happening on Ethereum at the moment. Remember, I'm no financial advisor. You need to look up everything yourself first, but please continue looking at this video and I'll show you why I do believe that I could potentially buy the market on Ethereum around 3,210. Let's just do a quick recap on Ethereum. We are reaching the target that I do expect the market to come back down to and retest around 3,210. If we're coming to this level, what I am going to do is that I'm going to take a alert. So when we're coming to this level, or if we come to this level, the TradingView will hit me with a notification and tell me that Ethereum is right now around 3,210. And when the market comes to, or if this is happening, this is where I will put a long position if that is the case. But I need to wait for the market to come back down so we don't see the market actually break into the downside and then see market dropping even more. That is why I have to wait for the market to come here so I can go down to the lower time frames and look for something like this, but needs to come back down, and then slowly I will see the market doing exactly what happened here around here, and at that point I will go in with a long position. And the target that I do have is the highest time frames Fibonacci, and it will be 3,350 and 3,390, because this is where I do expect the market to come back up to and then drop back down again. But first of all, as I told you, we need to wait for the market to drop back down to this Fibonacci level and show us that we are actually respecting this, and then see the market continue to the upside. And when the market, or if the market comes to these targets that I did talk about, at that point we will see the exact same thing happening, but just to the opposite. So right now what we do is that we're looking for the market to bounce back to the upside. When the market, or if the market does that, you will see the market create higher highs and higher lows. And if we're coming to these Fibonacci levels where I do expect the market to break to the downside again, you will see the market breaking the structure and then see the market creating its first lower high and then see the drop to the downside. But this is obviously something that I have no clue if this is going to happen, but this is what I am looking for. But so if I see the market coming back down to these levels, to the Fibonacci levels, and give me exactly the reversal patterns, I will put a buy order in and buy the market to where I expect the market to reverse back down from. On Bybit, I do have my sell limit order on Ethereum, on Bitcoin, sorry, still around 43,170. So I'm waiting for the market to push to the upside. But on Ethereum, I will go in for a long position, but that is only if I see the market actually giving me what I need. Don't forget that you can receive a bonus on Bybit up to $4,100 by using the link in the description down below the video. You know by now that if you do that, you are always supporting Bitcoinsensus, that me and the whole team can be available for you. I will go in for a long position order if the market gives me the rejections, and it will look something like this. I will see if I will have my stop loss just below the previous or the first higher low that Ethereum did create. So the risk to reward will be very, very, very good. So yeah, I'm just waiting for the market to drop back down to this level and see if we have the rejections, and if that's the case, I'm buying the market. But if we see the market having more momentum to the downside and we see the market retesting it from below, this Fibonacci or this entry will not be valid. Thank you so much, guys, for looking at this video together with me. I hope you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live in a couple of hours. Otherwise than that, I wish you a great Sunday. Have a good day. From Sweden.